Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. My name is Sahil, I'm a death metal musician and I'm also the author of the recipe book called Keto Life. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy keto snack which is also a great side dish, and if you are vegetarian it can also be a filling main course. We're going to be cooking up some delicious keto stuffed mushrooms, and this recipe takes only a few minutes and trust me, it's packed full of flavor. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. So for this recipe I'm going to be using 100 grams of just good old white mushrooms. You can of course use any mushrooms you like. I would recommend portobello mushrooms if you can get them. And now I'm just going to separate the mushroom stalk from the mushroom cap. And we are going to cook and eat the mushroom stalks as well because they are great. There's no need to throw them and they taste just like mushrooms. Anyway, once you've done that, it's time to move on. So I'm going to get my non-stick pan on the stove and I'm going to heat up a knob of butter. And as that butter starts to melt, I'm going to add in some minced garlic, about 1 or 2 cloves depending on how much you enjoy eating garlic. Anyway, give it all a good mix and let that garlic start to fry, and then I'm going to throw in the mushroom stalks along with the mushroom cap, and I'm going to season it with some salt and some black pepper. And now I'm going to give it all a good mix. And now you just want to cook this on a high heat and the mushrooms will release all their liquid. Mushrooms generally tend to release a lot of water when they are cooked. So you now want to cook these mushrooms on a high heat till all that water dries up and the mushrooms start to get some color and they start to caramelize. And what we're doing here is cooking out all the water from the mushrooms, as mushrooms do tend to hold a lot of moisture. So the water will seep out of the mushrooms, it'll almost like deglaze the pan. It'll mix with the butter, the garlic, and then it will reduce, and all those flavors will sort of reduce down and like just get sucked into the mushroom, and you will have a beautiful garlicky buttery mushroom. And yeah, and then we're going to stuff it with some cheese, and you know, it's going to be amazing, guys. So just be patient, let those mushrooms cook, and well, once they are done, take them off the heat. I'm going to put the mushroom stalks in my plate and then the mushroom caps. And of course, make sure you pour in all that garlic and butter from the pan. Don't waste any of that because it is delicious. And then I'm going to crumble in some feta cheese on the mushroom caps. Basically, I'm stuffing the mushroom cap with cheese, with feta cheese in my case. But once again, you can use any cheese you like. And then I'm going to finish it off with some chopped basil. And once again, you can use any herb you like. Another good option is parsley. If you don't like basil, you can sprinkle some parsley right over. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Our cheese stuffed sauteed mushrooms are ready. And this is a great keto snack. Hey folks, so I hope you enjoyed that recipe, and if you did, please smash the like button on this video. And don't forget, you can get the written recipe with the macros on headbangerskitchen.com. I'll leave the direct link below this video in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome keto recipes and hit the bell icon so you get notifications. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber from me. I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. Hey guys, what's your favorite vegetable in the whole wide world? Let me know in the comments below. And click here and watch another vegetarian keto recipe of mine, or click here and listen to some of my music. I told you guys, right? I was a death metal musician.